Good morning, PV. I'm Luke Rowe.
I'm Logan Giordano. Here's this week's top stories.
Outside In, the PV Literature and Arts magazine will have our annual Lit Out Loud event on Thursday, January 25th at 7 p.m. in the lower caf. There will be food, music, readings, and art on display. Admission is only $5 and all proceeds go toward the printing of our annual magazine. The Environmental Club has invited Larissa from the Ethical Choices program to come speak about food production, health, and the environment on Wednesday, January 24th at 12 p.m. in room 122. All are welcome to join and learn about how our diet can affect the environment. Will the bitter cold hold up, or will we finally catch a break? Here's a look at our weekend weather forecast.
Hey guys, my name's Evan Lou. I'll be your weatherman today. Today, it's going to be mostly sunny with a high of 39 degrees and a low of 22 degrees. Tomorrow, Saturday, is going to be a little bit warmer with a high of 48 degrees and a low of 33 degrees, and it's going to be sunny with a little breeze. And Sunday, it's going to be mostly cloudy with a high of 45 degrees and a low of 34 degrees. Back to you guys at the studio.
Attention all ice hockey fans. The PV ice hockey team will take on the Paramus Spartans at The Rock this Sunday, January 21st. Doors will open at 2 p.m. and there will be a free fan bus ride to and from the Prudential Center. For any questions, see Coach Del Santo in room 152. Earlier this week, Ms. Downs and her Culinary 1 students had their annual grilled cheese throwdown, where students competed to make the best and original sandwiches, and teachers judged the best ones. Let's take a look.
All right, so the students, we did a demo of a grilled cheese in class, and then we watched Bobby Flay's throwdown, specifically a grilled cheese one. And then the kids got to choose their own bread and ingredients and put together their personal concoctions that are going to be judged by our celebrity teacher judges today. It should be delicious. We have some really creative concoctions coming our way. Something, I think, the heart stopper, heart attack on a plate, Mac Attack. We have some really creative names and some really unique ingredients. I think some sandwiches have like potato sticks, might be some potato chips inside, maybe some pulled pork today.
We're working on a grilled cheese with mozzarella cheese, avocado, and basil.
So we're working on grilled cheese right now. Pretty dank. We make it with cheese, butter, bacon bits, and lots of love.
I think it was a great success and everyone had fun. Absolutely, it's a crowd pleaser, and we have donut wars coming up and other throwdowns ahead, so to be continued.
The girls swim team defeated Riverdale this past Saturday, winning every event. They were led by Haley Marzano, Mariella Wedlick, Emma Wentland, Emily Lee, Hannah Borowski, and were joined by relay winners Katie Smith, Danny Freeman, Jen Malocha, and Sophie Messenger. The boys got wins from Edward Fominik, Brendan Brosler, and Zach Zeller. The team will be back in action again this Saturday versus Fairlawn at Bergen Community College at noon for our senior day. Earlier this week, Miss Patasha's biology classes were in the halls doing a science experiment. Let's take a look.
So what's going on here today?
So I was having my students analyze the rate of cellular respiration. What we did was we had them breathe into a test tube of bromothymol blue, and the carbon dioxide changed the blue from blue to yellow. It was an indicator for CO2. So we had them do that before exercise, and then we had them run the staircase and see what would happen after they exercise, see how that changed the reaction rate post-exercise. That's what we did.
Well, we took away that it does in fact move faster, the cell respiration, when you're running up and down the stairs and exercising. It was a lot of fun.
Do you enjoy watching students sing, play an instrument, dance, act, or entertain the audience in any other way? Then make sure you mark your calendars for PV Choir's Valentine's Talent Night on Thursday, February 1st. See you all there. With 2 big NFL championship games this Sunday, who are you rooting for and why? We went around PV to find out.
So who do you think is going to win the championship weekend in NFL and why?
Well, I'll be rooting for Jacksonville in the AFC because I don't want the Patriots to win, and I'll be rooting for the Vikings in the NFC because I'm hoping for a home team to host the Super Bowl.
Who do you think is going to win this weekend in championship weekend?
The Vikings.
What about the AFC?
Probably the Patriots.
Sounds good. Thank you. Who do you think is going to win in championship weekend in the NFL?
The Vikings and the Patriots.
Thank you. Thank you. Mr. Shulian, who do you think is going to win the championship weekend this weekend?
For the NFL, I don't want them to win, but I think the Patriots are going to win, and I'm going to root for the Vikings.
All right, so who do you think is going to win the conference championships?
My unofficial, uninformed decision would be the Eagles and the Pats.
Well, that's it for this edition of PVTV. I'm Luke Rowe.
And I'm Logan Giordano. Have a great weekend.